Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to scan homework and get your AI answer using Gemini on iPhone. If you're stuck on assignments, Gemini can scan and explain problems step by step. First of all, download or update the Google Gemini app from the App Store and then log in with your Google account. Next, on the chat screen, tap the camera icon to open the scanner, and then point your camera at the question or upload the homework page from your gallery. And then solve the question number H, and then, or you can also stay step by step. And there you go. Gemini will give you an answer with steps, using it to understand the method, not just to copy. Safety tip: don't rely on AI for homework. Use it as a learning guide so you can explain answer in class. Quick fix: if it cannot read the text clear, try taking a clear photo in a good lighting, or crop the image so only the question is visible. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.